Hey, so one of the things that I do not like about the crochet videos that we have today is that they show you what they look like on install, which of course they're going to look great, but what is it going to look like after you had the hair in your head for a month? Is it matted? Is it matched? And what did you do to take care of it? So I am now doing all my videos for after the install. I might do a few of, directly when the install happens, but I will always have a follow-up video related to what the hair looks like after it's been in the hair for quite some time. So this hair has been in my head for about 3 to 4 weeks at this time. So this is Chair's hair off of Amazon. Okay. I got it in the color 1B 3027 and it shows a nice ombre progression, which I absolutely love. That's the main reason why I got it. This is GoGo Curl, and GoGo Curl is not an easy hair to take care of. It's not going to sit in your head and act right like a passion twist or a lock. So, what you have to do with this hair is make sure you keep it from matting. You can every day get up and put mousse on it if you want to, but what's the point? It's just going to create a lot of buildup. It's going to be weird. So, what you have to do to take care of this hair is just constantly cut it precisely. So, we're not cutting the ends. Okay. What we're doing is we're cutting the insides that are just kind of matted. All right. So, look at this. Right. This is a mess. So, So what you have to do with this hair is you have to make sure you are constantly cutting it in the right places. So in the right places doesn't mean cut it from the bottom. Okay, you see the bottom is this nice 27. Okay, so what you have to do is make sure that it looks like some healthy hair. Okay, so that means running your fingers through it to a point. Like, okay, we all know that if you do too much of this or even add a comb to this hair is going to go up. And that's whether it's a synthetic hair or it's real hair. My natural hair is curly. I know the drill. So basically, this is what you do. Take the hair, and if you see parts of it that are like this, where they're just kind of separated or connected like this, what you want to do is take some scissors and cut that part off. There's nothing you can do that. You can't save that. Okay. Cannot save it. So what you have to do is just cut it. Bam. Okay. Got a little action right here. Cut that. That's going to keep the hair from doing a lot of matting. It's going to keep the hair from, having problems because that problem hair is just kind of getting cut out. You'll notice on the bottom sometimes you'll see knots that are already there. Can you save the knots? No, no. So I'm pretty good about getting this stuff out, and that's what has helped me keep this hair for a long time. There was a time where I did go curl hair and honey. It lasted about 2 weeks, and I pretty much left the hair up in a nice little bun on the top of my head for the next 2 weeks after that, mainly because I just couldn't do anything with it. You want to watch this hair that's right here on the inside, right here by the nape of your neck, because that hair is definitely going to get matted. And so, again, look at that. So we're not going to fight with that hair. We're just going to cut that hair and keep it pushing. And that way you can have your nice styles that you can keep your hair up. So I absolutely love this hair because, out here it looks good. It still looks healthy. I'm able to part it, bam, bam, bam. And this was installed by Aubrey. So shout out to her, an up and coming stylist out here in Indianapolis. So again, love this hair. This is Cher's hair by, excuse me, this is by Cher's hair, but this is GoGo Curl in 1B 30 and then 27 on the bottom. And so as you lay it in your head, you'll see that some of the 27 comes up to the higher. So it creates a very nice, healthy, balanced look. So I kind of stayed away from natural colors lately, but this is it for me. I love this. So I will likely be doing this again. Am I going to try to save this hair to reinstall it? No, 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 no. The next time I get it, it'll be fresh hair to redo it. I'm not into reinstalling this type of hair, synthetic hair. I will reinstall locks that I have worked with and care for, but this right here is just asking for a headache, unless you like, that sort of thing. But no. So let me know your thoughts. It does come in other colors that are beautiful, but it's up to you. What are you into? I love this look, the multicolored. I would dye my natural hair this color, but I'm on a no dye diet right now. We're just only doing my, natural colors. And if you see me with different color hair, it's 100% likely that it's not mine because we're in protective style mode. So let me know how you feel about this hair. Should I make this a regular rotation for myself, or what do you think? All right. You guys have a great day. Again, questions, let me know. The link to this is around. It's in the bio. It's somewhere. But the link is there for you to go ahead and get this here. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.